In the example in our example menu, we should factorize 20x squared plus 14x plus 24. Negative 20x squared plus 14x plus 24. We will factorize each one and multiply this and this. So as long as multiply this will give us negative 480. And then from that negative 480, depends on the factors. I mean, the add as it was a positive 14. And then to find those factors, I have to use this 480. These are my common factors are 2, 480 and 120. 2, 120, that is 2, 480, that should be 240. Then 2, 240 should give you 120. And then 2, 120, that should give you 60. 2, 60, that should give you 30. 2, 30 should give you 15. And then 3 and 15 should give you 5. And then 5 into 5 should give you 1. Note from my factors are the create combination in minute or the 14 to add. Then let's try to combine 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 to the power 4 and 16. And then the surrounded 2 times 3, that is 6. 6 times 5, 30. Now we calories out take up a combination and if you see here we have 16 and 30. That the combine at 14, because if you do 30 minus 16 at 14, and if you check on your calculator 30 times 16 at 480. And the would tipanga separate middle term into 30 and 16. Since the result, the middle term is positive, the smaller number, mainly 16, is negative. That is a candy minus 16x and then plus 30x plus 24. And then from there, further we learn the 4 terms we can factorize. Common factor group ambirila e the 4 on the nominal over 20 over 16. And then tenga negative 4 if we number that one the negative. And we have negative 4 into negative 20 adibasa 5 should be negative 4x. Negative 4x into negative 20x squared adibasa 5x. Negative 4x into negative 16 adibasa plus 4. And then common factor group ya jiwili in the 6 30 and 5x, and then 6 24 and 4. Tukafika pa stage hii ndio we just create brackets for this negative 4x plus 6 and bracket imozi mazo kufana nazo 5x plus 4. Ndio mukafika pa stage mene yo makali mupanga factorize that expression. Another example requires us to factorize 6b squared minus 13b plus 6. 6b squared minus 13b plus 6. So let's factorize 6b squared minus 13b plus 6. To factorize this expression, tuambira tugomba multiply first term and last term. Tukazibanga multiply 6b squared times 6 adibasa 36b squared. And only tibeze ma factors are 36. I mean we have multiply adibasa 36 yo or positive. Kumano we have add adibasa negative 13. The factors are 36 from the multiplication table. It can be 1 times 36, and then we have 2 times 18, and then can be 60 times 60, then can be 3 times 12, and then can be 4 times 9. Check, and you check for combination in the pass 13 from these values. When you check, that combination would be 4 and 9. 4 plus 9 the 13. They will write numbers 4 and 9 in such a way that they should give us negative 13. They will only say I now color negative 4 and negative 9. If you multiply them, negative 4 times negative 9 equals a positive 36. Immediately value you have to have up. After finding the factors side, you come back on your expression to the second step where you separate the middle term in terms of my factors. I mean, notice that can be 6b squared minus 4b minus 9b plus 6. First stage in the separate the middle term into two terms, which means if you do negative 4 minus 9, I was a negative 13. You can go back here, and then you can proceed to factorize. First group common factor at only 2b. That should be 2b. 2b minus 6b squared at was a 3b, and then 2b into 4b at was a minus 2. Take a common factor at only negative 3. Negative 3 negative 9b at was a 3b. Negative 3 positive 6 the minus 2. And then we just finalize with these brackets. The candy 2b uyuyu minus 3 uyuyu, and then another bracket that will contain one of these, which will be 3b minus 2. Then the stage you have factorized the expression.